Hey kids! Our lesson for today is about properties of addition. So let's get started. Welcome kids! Are you excited for a fun learning session? Be ready to listen kids. Let's start. What is addition? Addition means finding the total or sum by combining two or more numbers. For example, 5 plus 11 equals 16 is an addition sentence. 5 and 11 are called addends. Addends are the numbers added together, while 16 is called the sum. The sum is the total number or the answer. Now, let's practice. Find the sum of the following addends: 3 plus 5, 4 plus 7, and 9 plus 0. 3 plus 5 equals 8, 4 plus 7 equals 11, and 9 plus 0 equals 9. We just add or combine the two addends and come up with an answer or sum. There are three main properties of addition we can use to help solve addition problems. Our first property is called commutative property. It's changing the order of addends. That doesn't change the sum. For example, 4 plus 2 is the same as 2 plus 4. The answer doesn't change, both give 6. Another example of commutative property is if we have 2 red apples and 3 green apples, it's the same when I say 3 green apples and 2 red apples. So 2 plus 3 is the same as 3 plus 2, both give 5. Let's try this. Check whether it is a commutative property or not. 16 plus 11 equals 27. 11 plus 16 equals 27. So 16 plus 11 equals 11 plus 16 is a commutative property. Same for the another example, 20 plus 32. Okay, what is associative property? It is changing the grouping of the addends that doesn't change the sum. If we start adding the second two addends and then add their answer with the first one, is the same if we start with the first two and adding their answer to the third addends. Another example of associative property, if we have the following candles, it's the same. See how the colors change. Okay. They both give the same answer. Now, let's practice. Is this an associative property? 13 plus 5 plus 9 equal 13 plus 5 and plus 9. So, it is associative property because changing the grouping of the addends doesn't change the sum. Observe the second example. It is also associative. Okay, now the identity property. Any number added to 0, the answer is always that non-zero number. For example, 5 plus 0 equals 5, 0 plus 10 equals 10, 20 plus 0 equals 20. So adding 0 to a number remains the same non-zero number. It's that easy, right? Now let us try to answer the addition problem using identity property. 7 plus 0, it's 7. Do we have the same answer? Very good. Let's enter another one. 56 plus 0 is 56. Are our answers the same? Excellent. Quiz. Now let's answer mentally. Name the property of addition shown in each sentence. Okay, let me remind you. Our addition properties are either commutative or associative or the identity property. Okay? Observe the following, pause the video and answer. After that, check your answers. If you have some mistakes, you should rewatch the video and understand the addition properties well. Okay? See? compare these answers with your answers and see your mistakes.